Welcome back to the tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Dolly zoom on clips that you already shot before. I guess a little tricky. You do need two clips. You're going to need the clip with your subject, and if you possibly can, a clip with just the background. So let's jump in and show you how to do that. Alright, so first make sure you got your top clip with your subject and one without. That's what I got. What we're going to do first is this bottom clip. I'm gonna have it set at 120%, so it's a little zoomed in. And then cool, top clip I'm gonna leave like that. I am gonna grab a magnetic mask real quick. Cool, let me apply that. So I apply that, let's hit analyze. I hit done. Cool, looks good. Now we're gonna do some keyframes on that bottom clip, so let's hit that right there. Go to the end, and we're gonna go back down to about 100%. There we go. So that's gonna give you that zoom out in the background. And then what I like to do is go with the subject. We're gonna zoom that in. So we'll do 100 to about 120. Yeah, so that'll be at the end. Let's play that. There you go. Boom. Thank you for watching. I hope that video was helpful. It's just a little fun trick to do. I know Dolly zooms are kind of hard to get. Sometimes you forget to shoot them. There's another way to reuse your videos, to add a little spice to your videos. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.